Oh, what's this? Ooh, tabs. Oh, yes. Alright. Oh, okay, we got some. Oh, the Halloween units. Alright. Wait. No way. No. Oh my fuck. What? Yo, if they open the door, I'm literally gonna be screaming, dude. What? Dude, imagine. Oh my god, this looks so good. Is tabs finally full release? No way. They don't have enough units yet. I don't know if they do. I don't know. Oh shit, it's getting open. What's in it? What? What's this? Oh. It's legitimately fucking Jesus. Jesus is the next unit, guys. Oh, it's Egypt. Yep, no, it's Jesus. Oh, wait, what? Wait. Thor's in the game? What? Oh my god. What? Is this inside the door? Oh. What do you gotta do, like, trials and stuff? Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yo! Oh my god, units! No, it's full release. I think it's ready. Oh my shit! Fuck. What is going on? Yo! Oh my god, unit creators finally out. Oh my shit. Oh my god! Nope. They win the house cup.